Fear of failure is good. Fear of failure will keep you up at night, planning and rehearsing and going over contingencies. Fear of failure will keep you training hard.
What's up, guys? RicoCapital. Today I want to talk to you about getting mentored by me. Look, if you want to go to the next level and you're a trader that has been finding some success, maybe not finding success, needs an edge, and just wants to get better and more consistent, then highly consider learning from me. Now look, today I'm going to go over our trades. It was a very easy day for us. The day before Thanksgiving, we went 3 for 3 today, and I'm going to show you kind of what it would kind of go about, how getting mentored by me, how the things I can show you, my strategy, and just kind of things like that. So listen up. First things first, right? I go by the zones. This is for SPY and QQQ. Buyers, sellers. They tell you where buyers and sellers are at on the charts, on the map. They let you know, risk off up here on calls, risk on right here down for calls, know when to sell, when to, where to be on the right side of the winning trade. That's literally it. So first trade of the day was NVIDIA. I knew if NVIDIA lost 135 right here at open, more than likely we're going to dump to our 132, 131 demand. And that's exactly what happened. So we saw NVIDIA tag this 138, 137 supply right up here. And it's been completely weak the past 3-4 days. So we're attacking weakness here. There's a bear flag right here. And we dumped out of the bear flag and perfectly ran all the way down to 136. So easily a $4 or $5 move off just that. So knowing the zones, knowing where the buyers and sellers are at in the market, and then knowing how to draw just basic, trend lines like this, like a bear flag. So patterns. So today we came out, and so we saw this weekly low holding. I knew if NVIDIA opened up near or below this, we're going to dump. That's exactly what happened. So I just drew a quick little yellow trend line from kind of the low of pre-market all the way to kind of the edge of 136.58. That's the level above. And so when we opened up under that, I knew it was time to go. We had to take that chance, and it was right at open, and I did this live as well. So we slammed the 134 puts. So one strike, kind of almost at the money, out of the money right there, 134. I knew these would go straight in the money if we get the move. We're looking forward to 133 right here, this blue line, and then the next target, 132, 131. We got those for 120 bucks, and they ran for over 200 plus. And so that's exactly what we're looking for. A quick move down into our first target. They tried to chop on the second one, then brought it right down. A lot of my members, banked off that, just held through the whole move until that demand right there. I was all out about right down here. So easy stuff right there, because the whole reason why I got out there was at the same time QQQ was selling off. Now this was the big one, the play I was looking for. We had a nice gap from right here, and I'm going to mark them in orange here. We had a nice gap right down in between here, from here to here. So I knew right here there's liquidity here. I knew that market, if we get close to this, we're going to eat this liquidity, and we're just going to knife through this. So I knew kind of looking at this, that if we got this 506, 507, 505 demand right here, we're just going to knife through and probably come down here, or even hang around the 505, which you can see we bounced down here and came to that close right there. So right at open, as we were kind of messing with NVIDIA, I knew under 507.47 right here was our trigger. So it opened up at 503. It just kind of knifed in there. As it started knifing, I got the notification, turned around, and alerted the members as well. So we slammed the 505 puts, 1 day expiration, and we knifed right into the gap right here. So we started the gap. We kind of messed around right here, and as we started knifing on this, we were all out on this second candle. As we're still holding those 505, we trimmed some. The second we kind of pushed up a little bit, I knew this was another entry, so I slammed the 504 puts. From there, I kind of rolled down on the strike. So we're holding 505, 504s. I got the 505s for, again, around 120 bucks. Very, very easy. And then the QQQ 504s, I got them for 95 bucks. So right up here, and as we push down all the way down right there, those 505s ran to 200 plus. QQ ran to over 200 pluses were the 504s. So both position 505s ran to like 300 plus, 504s over 250 plus. So both of those went 2 to 300 plus, and it was a very perfect trade. We did 3 for 3 on the day. So this is something I will teach you. This is not random. This was exactly my strategy, exactly what I was looking for, and it played out perfectly how we thought it would. Very, very easy right there. And so I want to be able to teach you this as well. And right here too, I drew a rising wedge, just yellow trend lines kind of going into the supply. I knew this was bearish. So possibly I was looking to short up here, but we didn't even get there. We broke under our 508 level. I knew we were already close to the gap. It was time to go. Looking at SPY too, beautiful kind of uptrend. We broke the uptrend. I just drew a yellow trend line right there. We opened up under it and puts worked all the way down. SPY still has the gap down here. You can see my auto gap still on. We'll be eyeing that going into Friday or Monday, whenever we get to it. So at the same time, I teach you guys high probability setups, high conviction setups, and how to win on them. I've been teaching a lot of my members as well as other mentees that sign up to get mentored by me. And this is why they're able to post gains every single day. Look at this, 3% blue dude, that boy Jock, 6% on his account today. He is a mentee. Look at that, Anthony up 107% on his account. He is a mentee. These guys, I'm teaching them the ways. M Jabber as well too. He's playing it nice. Burks, I helped out as well. So a lot of these members, Earnings Trader too, we have sessions, and he's killing it too. So a lot of these guys killing it and learning from me. Nathan, of course, he's a new mentee member, and I've been trying to help him a lot with kind of working with him, sizing, how to chart, how to show some of these gains as well. So and kind of be consistent. So that's exactly what I'm offering here. How to be consistent in the market, how to be know where the buyers are at, right? Understand where potentially buyers could step in and puts can't work or calls could work, right? Or understand points in the market where risk off if you're holding calls, right? Stops above buy, trim, or just have your stop loss ready, above buy. So if it stops you out, all good, protect the position, but know where maybe puts could work, right? Sell calls, puts could work, and as you can see, it did. And so this is kind of what I teach right here. This is my strategy. This is how I've been able to be profitable consistently every single day for the past year, 2 years, 3 years. I invented these zones back in 2021, 2022. So I've been using them, and I've been trading for about 8-9 years. So I've been consistent with other strategies, winning on other strategies, but I needed something way more consistent because when the market changes, you have to be able to adapt with it, right? What could work in 2022 isn't going to work in 2024. And what worked all of 2024 this year, if you're doing something else, won't work in 2025, right? But the zones work nonstop. This is nonstop action. We know where buyers are at, sellers are at, and it's just rinse and repeat depending on what side of the zone we're at, right? So we lost this demand, now turning supply. So we know that this right here will be some sellers taking over the zone, right? They fell through. So we know that there's going to be sellers up here to kind of try and stop them. And you can see kind of stopping out under it too. So we know, the edge. This is our edge. Trust the zones. So if you want to join the team, WAP.com/RicoCapital, get you on the team. Sign up for the mentee program. I can teach you a lot of this. If you want to be a regular member, same thing. You get access to the zones, members channels. We have a lot of fun here. I do have high conviction setups as well for the team. Show them exactly how things go, how to do it, and these bang. I don't post them often, but when I do post them, man, they bang every single time. We bank. It's absolutely awesome. So check it out. Give it a thought. Ask me some questions, guys. Ask me questions and get a part of the team. WAP.com/RicoCapital. And I appreciate watching this video, just kind of showing y'all how we do things over here at RicoCapital. So any questions, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you need. I'm here for you. Let me know. I'll see you on the next video.
I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to take this chance to apologize to absolutely nobody. The double champ does what the